The following message is transmitted at the request of Bexar County Emergency Management and the San Antonio Police Department. A shelter-in-place order is now in effect for the San Antonio metropolitan area after several murder victims were found across multiple areas in Bexar County, including downtown San Antonio. These victims were found to have blood flowing out of their mouths with flesh ripped open in the torso area. The victims were also noted to have their hearts missing or destroyed and left on the ground. At this time, authorities do not have any suspects right now. The San Antonio Police and the Bexar County Emergency Management Agency are urging and requiring all residents to move into the nearest area and to shelter in place until an all clear is given. Make sure all windows and doors are locked and barricaded to protect your life and the lives of others. Stay tuned to local media outlets for the latest on this situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of Bexar County Emergency Management and the San Antonio Police Department. The San Antonio Police Department is searching for a female suspect responsible for the gruesome murders reported all across Bexar County and the city of San Antonio. The suspect is a 21-year-old white female, 5 feet 6 inches tall, unknown weight with black hair in a ponytail and red eyes. She is wearing a black bra top with a long red sparkly skirt, black heels, fishnet sleeves, fishnet stockings, a tattoo of a heart with devil horns and tail on her chest, a piercing on each ear, a nose piercing, and long black nails. This woman was also noted to have blood around her mouth as well as her hands. She was also carrying a pocket knife as well as a leather whip. Residents are urged to continue to shelter in place until the suspect is apprehended. If you see this female, call 911 at once. This woman is deadly. Do not attempt to apprehend her as you will lose your life.
EAS FM HD seguindo Terrell Hills, San Antonio. Laugh in the morning. The Billy Madison Show. Rock all day.
This is Billy Corgan, Smashing Pumpkins.
Hi, this is Dave Grohl from the Foo Fighters.
Hey, this is Corey from Slipknot, and this is 99.5 KISS.
The civil authorities have issued a law enforcement warning for Bexar, TX beginning at 7:30 p.m. and ending at 10:45 p.m. KISS. The following message is transmitted at the request of the San Antonio Police. A police pursuit is now underway in Bexar County. Police are pursuing a female suspect responsible for the murders of several men and women in the downtown San Antonio area. Currently, the pursuit is taking place on Highway I-410 in Bexar County. Civilians on the highway are asked to pull over and let the suspect and police pass. If you are not on the highway, find an alternate route and stay away from the road until it is safe to do so. Do not try to help police as you will be risking your life. Keep monitoring media outlets for the latest on this situation.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the San Antonio Police Department and Bexar County Emergency Management. The police pursuit in downtown San Antonio has ended. The female suspect has reportedly disappeared from police while on a foot chase in a suburban area. While the chase is over, an official all clear is not being declared as of yet. Police will investigate further with K9 units just to make sure the all clear can be given. When the search is over, an administrative message will be transmitted over the air. Please stay tuned for this message and keep tuned to local media outlets for the latest on this situation. An administrative message from the San Antonio Police Department and the Bexar County Emergency Management. It has been confirmed the woman responsible for several murders of male and female victims in downtown San Antonio has disappeared while on a foot chase with San Antonio police. After further investigations, an official all clear is now being issued for San Antonio residents. All public activity may now resume. An administrative message from the San Antonio Police Department and the Bexar County Emergency Management. It has been confirmed the woman responsible for several murders of male and female victims in downtown San Antonio has disappeared while on a foot chase with San Antonio police. After further investigations, an official all clear is now being issued for San Antonio residents. All public activity may now resume.
Revenge has fled all of you. I myself have fled too. But don't worry, for long my name shall be said. Remembrance of me is far ahead. No need to hear the media. Everyone will be saying my name. Dita von Harta.